The dog is a canine. And the culture says the dog is man's best friend. The dog is treated better than the black people. Are you all with me? See, and if anybody has any experience, a psychiatrist sees this all the time. Let's say a child is given up by the parent. And so, you know, the fantasy is that one day the mother and child will get back together and they will embrace and live happily ever after. But that's not what happens. There may be an initial embrace. And then what is the child's response going to be? You gave me up. You so much. Are you all with me? And anger and hurt and mistreatment follow. So I say, you know, maybe this is the whole story. And so what do? We apologize to the white people. And say, but now, since you set up this system of injustice, we're going to stop it. So this is not going to continue. Because this is not the way that we can have peace on this planet. And we are the parent people of the planet, and we are going to take our parental responsibility. Because I just see the Creator sitting up, he, she, combination of both maybe, saying, hey, I made you all the first people on the planet. I gave you everything. Nobody is more than you. So don't call on me. I don't want to hear it. I want to see whether you are in touch. I hear that black people are the most religious people. Are we in touch? See, are we in touch? You know, even the white people say, what? The most powerful thing in the universe is what? A black hole. And now they've discovered the thing that holds it all together is dark matter. Now I say that if we are hating black, see, we need to review. George Washington Carver, black man, crystal black man. He said he would go out early in the morning when it was quiet, and the plants would talk to him and tell him what they could do. See, this pigment, black, is a superior absorber of energy. Everything is energy. Everything is energy. What if these cells that we wish we could get rid of, oh God, give me some more bleach. And what if the Creator is saying, I gave you, they say, scientists say the melanocyte that produces this black pigment is the second most sophisticated cell in the human body, second only to the best, BETZ, cells that are in the cerebral cortex that we think with. And we can't stand it. God, please make me white. Dr. Welsing, please create a pill that if I take on Monday, it'll turn me white. And that second pill you got, that you got on eBay selling it, $1 million a pill, and we would find our way to buy it. Do you all understand? And if you don't think you feel that way, ask your little children. What is mommy's favorite color of a person? What is daddy's favorite color? A little child will tell us what we think is beautiful. And so you just use that, not to shame yourself, you just use it as a corrective. You say, this is fascinating how I've been programmed under racism, white supremacy. This is absolutely fascinating. So do you all follow what I'm saying? Yes. People who classify themselves as white are not going to deliver us. And the question is whether we care enough about ourselves to deliver us. Well, let me stop and let you all ask some questions.